In a quiet and secluded village nestled by the sea, there lived a peculiar bird named Murre. The villagers admired Murre for its wisdom and the unique way it sang. One day, a great storm swept through the village. As the villagers huddled in their homes, Murre took flight, its songs echoing through the chaos. The villagers watched in awe as Murre flew to the tallest tree in the forest. It perched upon a branch, its feathers ruffled by the wind, and sang a melody unlike any they had heard before. The storm subsided, and the villagers emerged from their homes, grateful that their village had been spared. They were puzzled, however, by the calm that had descended upon the village, for the storm had not only passed but seemed to have been tamed. The villagers approached Murre, who perched on a branch, its eyes twinkling with the wisdom of ages. One villager, a young girl named Elara, asked Murre, "How did you stop the storm?" Murre replied, "I did not stop the storm. I simply sang a song that reminded the storm of its own nature, that it was but a part of the great cycle of life and death, and that it should return to its place when its time came." Elara looked at Murre in awe. "But how did you know?" Murre chirped, "I know because I have always been here, watching, learning, and adapting. I am a part of this village, and I know its rhythms, its ebbs and flows. When I sang with the heart of the village, and the storm listened." The villagers returned home, each one changed by the wisdom of Murre. They realized that they too could learn to listen to the heart of their village, to understand its cycles, and to live in harmony with them. And so, the villagers thrived, guided by the wisdom of Murre and the songs of their hearts. They learned to live in balance with the world around them, and the village became a beacon of harmony in a world often torn by storms. And Murre, the wise bird, continued to sing its songs, reminding all who listened that wisdom comes from understanding our place in the world, and that we must learn to sing with the heart of our community.